Welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial we will see how to read the data from Excel file. In previous tutorial I have explained about what is Apache POI and add the dependency in point.xml. For reading the data from Excel file, you need to add this dependency. One is Apache POI and second dependency Apache POI XML. I have created one Excel file inside this doc folder. In this file, two values. One is username and password. Username user A and password is equal to abc123. In this tutorial, I will show you how to read this values Excel file using Apache POI. So let's begin. Inside this method, add file input string and enter the variable name. File is equal to new file input string and round brackets. Inside this round brackets, you will enter the complete path of this file. This Excel file located at D drive, and inside this D drive one folder which is doc, and this Excel file name is sheet. Right click on this file, click on properties and copy this complete path of this file. In this round brackets, paste complete path here and double slash, enter the file name which is sheet, and then enter the file of extension which is .xlsx. Import add throws declaration. This is used for open a file string to read the Excel file which is located at the doc and file name sheet and then extension. Now add XSSF workbook and enter the variable name workbook is equal to new and XSF workbook and round brackets. Add this XSF workbook with try and round brackets. Import this XSF workbook, click on import, and now enter the variable name which is file, round brackets. Click on add throw declaration add. Now we will retrieve the first sheet which is at index 0 XSSF sheet and variable name sheet workbook is equal to workbook dot get at index 0. Import XSF sheet. Now we will retrieve the second row at index 1 from this sheet. XSSF row and variable name is equal to row. This is variable name sheet dot get row and enter the index here 1 and import XSF row. Import XSF row. Now print the value of the cell at row 1, and column 0 at index row 1 and column 0. System dot out dot println sheet dot get row at index 1 and column cell value is equal to 0 dot get cell 0. Now print the value of the cell variable which is row 1 and column 1. System dot out dot println here we need to enter the XSF cell for reading the value from cell X SSF cell is equal to row dot get cell 1. Import XSF cell. Then enter the variable name which is cell. Run this script. Right click run as and test and test. In console here you can view the two values have been printed. One is user A and second ABC123. User A and ABC123. Let's add more values here. User B and ABC123 4. Save this file and retrieve the third row at index 2 from this sheet. X SSF row, enter the variable name row 1 is equal to sheet dot get row at index 2 and then retrieve the cell at column index 0 from the third row. X SSF cell 1 is equal to row 1 dot rows 1 dot get cell at index 0. Now print the value of the cell at row 2 and column 0. System dot out dot println cell 2. Variable name is cell 1. Now print the value of the cell at row 2 and column . System dot out dot println sheet dot get row at index 2 and get the cell at index 1. Round brackets here. Let's run this script. In this scenario, I will fetch the values user A and user B and password. In console here, you can view user A, ABC123, these two values have been printed, and then user B, ABC1234 successfully printed in console. If you like this content, please subscribe to SK World. Thanks for watching.